Hello educators, so what we're going to be looking at today is the Backward Fading Worksheet Tool. So in maths, the tool strengthens students' problem solving skills by gradually reducing the guidance throughout the worksheet. It follows a structured backward fading approach, so you'll have a problem. The first step is it will give a fully worked example. Then it will give it some guided practice where the problems have partial solutions where the students complete the missing steps, and then finally it will finish off with an independent practice problem where the student sort of solves the problem entirely on their own. Essentially, it's designed to encourage deeper understanding and critical thinking. This tool helps students transition from guided learning to independent mastery. So all you need to do is input the topic and the student age, and the tool will generate a structured worksheet tailored to your class. So I've just pre-filled this out. So this is the Pearson Edexcel International Mathematics, and we're looking at 2F on equations and formulas, and in 2.2 we're looking at algebraic manipulation, and we're looking at section F, which is Introduction to Quadratics. So we've got the key learning that students need to know here, along with any additional information, and what we're going to do is we're going to get the site to generate a problem set for us, and then we can give this to the students to support their learning journey. Okay, so the AI has created the document for us. So we've got a worked example where we have to factorize this algebra equation, and then we've got another one, and then we've got some guided practice which allows the students to work through the problem set, and then we've got the independent practice there where the student is given 2 questions, and then just to challenge the students and take them further down that learning journey, it's given a final task which really brings everything together. We can download this as a PDF or a Word document. So if I download it as a PDF, sorry, it's out to the right here on the right hand side of the screen. If I click on PDF, it should download a PDF document, which we can just simply print off. Or we can edit the text in the window here, save it. We can also use it later on as well. So we've got the PDF there. We can open it up. There's our PDF document, which we can sort of hand out to the students and get the students working on this, along with the answers. The answers are at the bottom as well. In case you want to have a look at the Word document and see how the formulas work with Swift, when you print off a Word document, it downloads the equations as latex code. So all you need to do is highlight the latex code, press Alt equals. That'll bring up the equation menu or the equation ribbon at the top. Just make sure latex is selected, and you click on convert and click on professional, and that will change the formula to what you're used to as maths educators. You can do the same everywhere else as well, and it will convert to professional, and it will convert all the formulas for you. All in all, a great tool to use, and you can obviously use it with different subjects. So you can actually go to your IB if you're teaching IB, or if you're teaching A level, as long as it's selected on the home page. So you must have selected the AI that relates to your subject, and then it will work brilliantly. But yeah, all in all, a great tool and a brilliant addition to Swift Teach.